Hei hi All India Radio Aizolani chanchin thar achhiar tu silian sang puya. India chan COVID-19 do konga hlotlin ro pui tak changin vaccine dose vaibel cheza apetling ta a. Hedin mun thlang thei tura thok tu doctor nurse le amatonga thok du ta ba ka me pui vaccine le zong te All India Radio chon zana chi baya buk chewa. Heti rwal hian ngai thatu te shrileng ala re lawa wangin film kursun zomzel turin kan ngen chewa. Vaccine dose ke mala la lo te po lakim thuai ula. Midang po la ve tura som turin kan ngen chewani sago hun pui lo thleng tura hian mai tom na vo midang hnai lo kudle mai ti fai te lo nga pai mo zelang cheu COVID-19 ka inhoi she du nei chon rampum huap helpline number bial pakhat pani pathum pakwa pasari pariat bial pali parukle pakhat bial pasari panga ba ka mizoram tan pakhat bial pani te biak po theireng ani tuna chon chanchin thar long thak chun zomang Tukina COVID-19 din mun hriat thar bra mi zasari somthum pasirin an kai ti mu chu ani ramchunga COVID-19 vaccine dose vaibel cheza peklin anita Health Minister Dr. Arla Thanglenan state chunga vaccine le theizong te hridan na la turin na som Election Commission chuan by election ne tur state a political party le candidate te chu in than atan in kai hruaina model code of conduct zom thaturin ashiatir Tukina COVID-19 din hun hriat thar bera mi zasari somthum pasirin an kai ti mu chu ani a sample test zong zat sang sari zria somthum pathum zinga za pakwa point pali bialan positive ani shikai to zong zat hi nuai khat sing khat sanga zako somli pali ani a nuai khat sanga zanga som enkol da manni to a enkol lai mek hi sing khat somthum pali omin mi zalin an thi pui to ani nimin khan ZMC RT-PCR laboratory sample test zinga za somli panga an positive a TrueNet laboratory sample test zinga somli an positive a rapid antigen test manga COVID-19 positive mu chua zanga somli pakhat an oma FIA sample test zinga som pakhat an positive bok ani mishing sang khat zela positive mu chua to zat hi zale panga ni a mi noi khat zela COVID-19 awanga nu na chan to zat hi somthum paruk anga chut ani ramchunga COVID-19 vaccine dose vaibel cheza peklin ani ta a President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya le Minister Dangten, Indian vaccine dose vaibel cheza apetling ta chu lo mom anti thun soya Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan Indian COVID-19 vaccine dose vaibel cheza apetling ta chu lo mom anti thu soin hetiang din hun thleng thei tura thok tu doctor nurse le thok tu dang zong te achuan thu soya India chon khovel chanchina thil chin che tlak tak aziak ta ani ati Mizoram chuan tundin huna vaccine dose nuai som pakhat singriat sangko chuang pek chu ani a Health Minister Dr. Arla Thanglenan chuan heni hi inichin che tlak takani atia COVID-19 vaccine chu mi zongin anlak thina turin ro man siamani thu soim ala theichin chu lavek tu rasomin vaccine lak na huna kal thelu tan po ro man siamin pekim vektum ani thu Dr. Arla Thanglen chuan soya vaccine lak chuan nanalaka mi ahum mai ni lovin avei point anlak nat lutuk lo pha nge nia ahriat thu soi ani ramchung hun sang police and duty lion na chan te hriateng na ni police commemoration day nimin khan ramchung hun dangrolin Mizoram district sang manani a aizola chuan nimin tu khan 1st battalion MAP headquarters am venga chief minister Pozoram thanga DGP le police officer ten duty lion mel makutura thi to te hriateng na anda ani Chief Minister Hova Police Commemoration Day Paula Huntmana hian DGP PSBK Singh chuan nikum September ni khatle kumin August ni somthum pakhat chunga duty line nu chan police state tin anei zate achhiar choka avain mi zathum samsari pasari anni a kumin chung hian Mizoram police zinga duty line mel makota thi anom lova duty line COVID-19 awanga thi mi paruk omin chung mi te hming chu chiar chuatel ani Mizoram Youth Commission chuan thralai ten Music is a nana and man thenatur dapkonga atho pui North East Wave nen tangkopin Music Connect ACL Center for Creative Excellence tenen thona thuthung nimin khan an ziak thona thuthunga Mizoram Youth Commission ayo in Dr. Vanal Chanpuya MLA le Chairman MYC Mingziakim Music Connect ACL ayo in Acting President Kaushik Dutta Music Connect ACN Mingaziak ani Center for Creative Excellence ayo hian Mr. Shubo Shekhar le anupui Suchita ten lokala Shubo hi Bollywood producer ni in National Award tumnga lo latoni a anupui Suchita hi vocal instructor hloking tak ani bok Music Connect ACN hian mi malle band promote na turte training nen tur konga te an thok tu nanga kut liana te pho chua an ni thina tur konga te mala in ezon nan an man thina tura malak na konga te an thok hodon ani chuti rualin Center for Creative Excellence for Indian and Western Music tenem thona tu thlung hian mizo thalai talent ne thatak tak te dap chua ezon nan an man thina tur training pek te Indian music industry nimlu le Bollywood ezon tur dapte ahwam tel don ani Mara Students Organization chuan Mara Autonomous District Council in Sarkar na alakdana lung oil of nimin khan sia a MADC staff office kal turan dang MSO soidanin MADC Sarkar na chelmek tu ten tun hnaya Sarkar na anlak chu advertisement omlovin andu sak zong an la a anlak zong te chu ban le vek Putin nimin atangin MADC staff office kai turan dang ta ani MSO Headquarters General Secretary Puzep Tha chuan tun MADC Sarkarin na anlak tharte RTI mang an hriat chin chu mi som pakwani in advertisement omlova lak vek an ni a marami pui huap zolo ani a MADC hi marami pui ta ani angin marami pui huapa nalak ani theinan an nalak to te chu bana athar advertisement ti chu a lale turin an phut ani nimin ta thleng khan MADC ho tu tele MSO Headquarters right to the indem na mumal tak ana nei lova MSO te hian an hlotlin ma chu MADC office dan thun zom an tum thu an soi ani Nikhat o Lai Autonomous District Council session chu LADC Chairman Puviel Moga kai thruai nimin khan nei ni a LADC Deputy Chairman than ani LADC Deputy Chairman than tura hian Nilani Khan Chera Bial to MDC Pusiel Lianzola chuan nomination of file nomination is sangau South Bial to MDC Pujebi Van Hoyen at Hopa Nimena Deputy Chairman than na hian nomination file dang anom lo wangin Chera Bial to MDC Pusiel Lianzola chu to omlovin LADC Chairman atan than ani sesona hian LADC CM Puvizir changa chuan tuna LADC Sarkar kalai chu ngettaka akal tur thu soya tluang taka Deputy Chairman thanna anne the chu lom omati thu soi MADC Deputy Chairman than thar Pusiel Lianzola hi tuna Puvizir changa kai roi Sarkar pian ma pumang hunga chinja kai roya khan Executive Member Environment Forest and Climate Change changtu aloni to a Pusiel Lianzola chuan LADC Sarkar chanvo poimo tak tak achel chu lomomati thu soya do sakna sang takani ti soin Deputy Chairman ni na achel chungin member te chu ama fin chu thin turin asom ani
All India Radio Aizawl Regional News Unit le Mizoram Sarkar Art and Culture Department tangkup chuan India ramin zalen na amu kumsum sari pangana lomna kalpui mek polling quiz competition August ni sompali in rin ni atanga tangin kumthar August sang hi somhi pahi theng kartin quiz in elna abwa saida e quiz in elna hi kartin in rin ni zan chanchen thar puan huna piang in zo na puan ani anga atuk pathian ni zan chanchen thar puan huna pakhatna la tu hing puan ani ang loman pakhatna la tu hian thilpek thatak le certificate adong don ani mobile number 8258812366 8258812366 le email id airdigest21@gmail.com airdigest21@gmail.com ate achan na thon turani a he quiz in elna atan hian lo inwa saila chanchin thar nomai pachinam che
chanchin thar hi All India Radio Aizawl tanga puan ani Election Commission chuan by election ne tur state a political party le candidate te chu in thlan atana in kai hruaina model code of conduct zom thaturina hriatin Election Commission chuan by election ne tur district emo constituency pon lama political party te chu in thlan ne na kai hnoi ti hriat reng in mu khomna thilbuat selo turina ti a District Election Officer te chu model code of conduct zom thata nila ubaka COVID-19 shrilang laka invena sang te in thana turle an thanam district le constituency ate zom that ani theinan uluk taka vil turati ani thu Election Commission chuan soi ani Union Home Minister Amit Shah chuan Nimin Khan Uttarakhand Rasuna sa wanga chena thlenna hmunte thona tangna en koala pusha hi State Governor Gurmit Singh Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, Union Minister of State for Defence Ajay Bhatt Rajya Sabha MP Anil Baluni ten an Troy Oma hemino hian Union Home Minister and State Sarkar ho tu ten State chungdin mun thlirin anin khom ngal ani pon to angin Uttarakhand hian tun hnai ro suna sa wangin mun sang achena thlenga chena thleng kai hnuya hian mi somnga pahnian thi to a mi sang khale zathum chuang mun himlama chon chu to anni South Sudan a tuilen na sataka wangin mi noi sari chuang chu mun himlama chon chu anni to thudon danin tun truma tuilian hi kum som chung ana satber trumani a mi somli ai tlem lo tuilian awang hian an thito a mun tam taka ran vulna mun te lo le chena inte tuilian hian ati cheto ani scientist te chuan tuna tuilian hi sigle sa cheme kinang hong nin an soya africa kho chaklam ram engmo zata po har sanna an tok ni in an soi ani chanchin thar serti topna na tlang pui tukina covid-19 din hun hria thar bra mi za seri somthum pasarin an kai ti mu chu ani ram chunga covid-19 vaccine dose viable se za peklin ani ta health minister dr arnold thanglenan state chunga vaccine la thei zong te hridan na la turin asom election commission chuan by election ne na tur state political party le candidate te chu in thlan ata na in kai hroina model code of conduct zom thaturin a hriat tir chuti zong chu chanchin thar kan pon thei chu ani